Watch as our real-life hero Charlotte steps into her tailored tail. Meet Charlotte. She has blue eyes and cute little hair buns. Charlotte loves yummy snacks and playing with her colorful toys. She giggles at birds flapping and hopping outside her window. Tap, tap. A friendly bird is knocking. It's Pip. Charlotte, chirps Pip, let's play a fun new game. When I say put it in, you find a toy and put it in the bin. Charlotte spots a colorful block. Where should it go? Pip asks, Charlotte, do we put it in the bin?
Your turn.
Yes! Put it in!
Yes, Charlotte picks it up and puts it in the bin like a big girl. Now it's your turn. Pick up a pretend toy like Charlotte. Ready, set, put it in the bin. Yay, you did it. Charlotte grabs her teddy bear. She knows just what to do. She gives Teddy a hug. Then she puts it in. What toy should Charlotte put in next?
Your turn.
Oh! Dolly!
Good choice. Charlotte smiles and puts it in the bin. Wow, all the toys are in. Charlotte's room looks nice and clean. More room to play and snack? Pip chirps happily. Charlotte learned the tidy-up game. Let's always put it in. What's next for Charlotte? More tidy-up magic? Fun bird adventures with snacks?